I'm Sin and I'm back with another video. So if you would like to know what I'm going to be doing today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, print squad. Today I'm going to be printing some buttons with my new button maker that I just got. My new button maker, because I recently just got 2 new button makers. But I'm going to show you guys what designs I'm going to be printing today. Alright, as you guys know, I have my 2 boys. One of them goes to school here in town, which is Manny, where you see the Manny, that's the school logo right there. And then you have the other one that goes to school in Zawali, and that's the Zawali logo right there. So I'm going to be making some buttons for both of them, and then I'm going to attempt to make a display for, for this whole setup. So I'm going to go ahead and get started so you guys can check it out. Alright, so let me rearrange my setup right here so that you guys can check it out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cutter right here and I'm going to make sure everything is right. I did do some test cuts yesterday, but I just want to make sure that it's right. And I'm going to go ahead and cut out a button. That's one thing with this cutter. I got to make sure that I know what the let me see what the center of it is. All right, I'm thinking that should be about center, so hopefully we can get this to come out right. Let me see. All right, this is how it came out. I think I kind of cut it out. I think I got it set up just a little big on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if it's gonna fit. Nope, it's actually cut out a little big. So let me try to adjust it. So I have to pull up on it, and right there, I'm thinking that's gonna be it right there. So I'm gonna skip over one and try to cut another button out right there. Let me zoom in so hopefully y'all can check things out good. All right, let's try this again. All right, so this one should be better if I can get it up. Now, yesterday they were sticking to here. Okay, so yeah, that one fit perfectly. That one fit perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press the first button just to let you guys check it out. So, all right, we take the thinner side right here. As you guys know, with this button maker, you take the thinner side, you put your button back down, then you put your logo and your mylar sheet, and then you spin that one around and you put your button back with the pin facing up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my first one. All right, it picked it up, so all right, so here is my first button with my 1 1/4 inch button maker right here. As you see, it's a little bit off center right there because you guys saw when I was trying to get it right, it didn't come out just right, but it did make a perfect button. Other than that, so we got that right there. I got to work on making sure that it's centered, and everything should work out fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out some more of these, and I'm gonna cut out the M's also, and we'll be in business. All right, y'all see it stuck on there that time. When it sticks on there like that, it's easy to just pull it off like that. So I'm just gonna put it right there. If y'all can see it. Yeah, I kind of got a weird little setup today, y'all. Yeah, I think for these small ones, I want to get a better cutter because they're small and there's so many of them on each sheet. All right. Yeah, so we got that right here. That's enough of those for now. I'm gonna switch over to the M's and cut some of them out. All right. All right, so I have enough of them right there. I'm gonna go ahead and make a few buttons. All right, so have my button supplies right here. Gonna pull the button maker out right here. And we got the thinner part. Alright, so I have a few of those buttons made. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to make my display so that I can set it up and sit it on my countertop so that, you know, people who are interested can see and find them easily and make purchases. Once I get the display made, I'm going to fill it up with the buttons. But I'm gonna go ahead now and design the little display, and then I'm gonna check back in. Alright, so right now they probably have some displays for this, but as you guys know, I am new to getting into this. So right here I have this little box. It's just like a little box that I ordered something and it came in. So what I'm going to do is have it like this. I'm gonna have it where I can sit it on the counter like this, and right here I'm gonna have my info about how much the buttons cost and, you know, what it is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. All right, Print Squad, I'm sorry I cut out a lot of this stuff and didn't even show it, but I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. I'm gonna show you the little display box that I made, then I'm gonna explain to you what I did. So right here, this is the display box. Right now I don't have much in there. I just have a few buttons or pins that I printed, and right here, I put this on here. I meant to put the price. I'll probably just write it up here at the top, or put a little sticker with the price on it right there. But yeah, this is basically what it is right here. And you know, I'm gonna leave it right here on the front counter so that they can see it when they get ready to check out. Hopefully they'll make an impulse buy, hopefully, or some people may even go ahead and want to purchase some. But right here I put all the schools, the local schools around here, except for one, which I couldn't find their logo that quick, but this is everything. And what I've come to find out with these buttons right here, the way that I'm cutting them out, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get a button punch, because the little button circle thing that I got, it's kind of ripping up the page. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Like I'm trying to do them, and I'm gonna bring it over here and show you. I'm trying to cut them out. I'm spinning it around, and here you see is where those pages are like ripped, because parts of it is getting caught in there and it's like ripping it up. But right here, as you see, you know, I got this like that. So it's not too bad or whatever, but yeah, right here it's kind of ripping it up. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get a punch for those small ones. The bigger ones is okay with the cutters that I have, but the small one is definitely, they are definitely going to have to get a I'm gonna have to get a different way to cut them out. I'm probably gonna end up, you know, having to go ahead and make another order right quick today, so that I can get this thing in here as quickly as possible, so I can go ahead and, you know, get it in next week sometime. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that and put a price on here so that the people will know that the buttons, I'm gonna be selling them for $2, and if you want to customize one like that, it's gonna be $3. So that's what I got going on right now. But I'm going to go ahead and jump up off of here. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and my other channel where I do my daily live streams, make sure you subscribe to both of them today. That's T-Shirt Chick Live. And if you don't know anything about the other channel, stay tuned to the end of this video and click on the link with the red logo. You know, my logo with a red t-shirt. Follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV, and you can join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And don't forget, I always leave links down below for items that I use. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out. And I also have the coupon code for Dr. Dunn's button maker equipment down there, button equipment. So just check that out. And I appreciate you watching. I will see you in another video. Print Squad out.